Hello and welcome to Gyanmaint. I am Ajay Gupta, and I just wanted to make a quick video to, uh, you know, uh, uh, announce that I am making, I'm expanding this Gyanmaint in, two more layers. Apart from maintenance, which will be core area, um I am also want to add, your personality development, which is very important, and also, something on make money online because this is also ultimately this is also very important. So this three niche will be there always there in Ganmet. With your due permission, I request you all to allow me to add these two niches more. It is beneficial for all of us, right? Now, why I want you to also understand about your personality development, because you know we are so busy in day-to-day activity that we don't really bother about upgrading our own personality, and this is why we are not always leading any organization. So we are although backbone of industry, but people always give us a thankless job. They said, this is thankless job on a public holidays, on any holiday we are on the shop floor, we are working, but still the pain area is that we are not been given due respect for when we come to the phase where we can lead plant, but we are not been given that due diligence for leading the plant. The reason, basic key reason is that we are not developing our personality. So let us start that niche also. We should develop our personality. Second part is third niche, which I have, third factor which I am adding is make money online. Now people are making money online like crazy, really. They are making, I have seen people age of 20, 23 or 23, 24 years, they are making money in CRs. So this is a time, that we all should thrive to learn online, making money online. And I'm on the mission, to make my maintenance subordinate make money online, and at least 1 million maintenance subordinates should make money online, and this should be your second stream of income. So whenever your current day job gives you a problem, you can stressfully, stresslessly, you can just come out of your plant. Okay, so that your respect, your due diligence has always been maintained. Now this is very simple to learn online also. Everywhere you have a mobile, you have a laptop, you have a computer. Just you have to pull out some time from your time which you are spending in other activity which is not earning you money, and put here 1 hour of day, half an hour a day will be enough. How much time you put, the more time you put, the more faster you will start making money. So I will also start posting such aspect of making money on this channel. Please do go through those type of videos. It is for your beneficial, it is for our community beneficial. We should be always having a second stream, third stream, fourth stream of income, and make money online. We can make at least 7 stream of income. Warren Buffett has told, everybody has to have, if you don't have a 7 stream of income, you are not financial secure. So you should build this financial security by working on make money online niche, right? Now there's a below this video, there's a link in the description, or in the below, wherever you are right now. If you're seeing in YouTube, then this is. If you're seeing in my web page, then there's a link below. Just go through that link, click it, and register yourself. And there are many other aspects which we'll keep on seeing with this page. So just go through that, give some time to invest some time on those pages, those concepts, and if you find it, then you join it. And if you don't find it okay, then still just keep looking out. I will make it sure that you get some good options where you can really start learning and earning with me. I'll promise you that you join this community. I'll make sure that you are in the process of learning and earning. It is said, yes, every successful person has a mentor, and if you don't learn, you will not earn. The growth of earning will always depend on your learning. People should spend around 10% of their earning on learning. That's what every successful people have. I've seen people telling that, right? So click on the link and register yourself, and I will be getting in touch with you through email or through WhatsApp. Okay, both the communication channel I will use. But just join this communication channel, and see these videos. Whatever video I'm posting in this YouTube channel, you can see that post also. So the core will always be maintenance, and I would like to also invite all of you who are of your work seeing this. If you're in maintenance, you are in maintenance, please start contributing to this site, this channel. Now it's growing, so we can, if you have some good learning, just post me up, WhatsApp me up. I'll convert into video and put it against your name. And if that video get monetized, I promise you that I'll give you 80% of your earning. No problem with that. Issue is you should be able to share in this community. Let us make this community a world-class community, a world largest community. And my mission is to help 1 million. So help me in helping you. Okay. See you, and please click the link below and get in touch with me. Thank you.